Want to create stunning AI art, characters, product concepts, or full illustrations in minutes? Then Leonardo AI is one tool you've got to check out. It's fast, powerful, and packed with advanced features that even pros love. But don't worry, you don't need to be a designer to use it. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use Leonardo AI to generate amazing images, even if you're a total beginner. But first, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more AI tools, tutorials, and creative tech tips every week. Let's dive in. Step 1. Sign up for Leonardo AI. Go to leonardo.ai. You'll need to create an account, but it's free to start. You can sign in with Google or Apple, or use email. After signing up, you might be put on a short wait list, but lately access is quick, sometimes within minutes. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which shows featured creations and trending models. Step 2. Pick a model or create with default. Click on AI image generation in the sidebar. Now you can either use Leonardo's default model, great for general prompts, or choose a specialized model, like one for anime, logos, or photorealism. You can even train your own custom model, but let's keep it simple for now. Step 3. Write your prompt. At the top, you'll see the prompt box. Type what you want to create, like a cyberpunk city skyline at night, glowing neon, cinematic angle, or cute fantasy dragon sitting in a teacup, highly detailed, pastel colors. Below the prompt, you can fine-tune settings, set image dimensions, pick style presets, adjust guidance scale for more or less freedom. Choose how many images to generate. Then hit Generate. In a few seconds, Leonardo will give you 4 AI-generated images. You can click any image to enlarge it, download, upscale, or refine it further. Step 4. Explore more features. Use the Canvas editor to combine and tweak images. Try Prompt Magic for better image quality and prompt understanding. Or browse the community feed for inspiration and models shared by others. If this helped you get started with Leonardo AI, give this video a like and make sure to subscribe. We cover the best AI tools and how to use them creatively every single week. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.